Hey, good morning, everybody. Looking at a couple of tickers here that are getting a lot of volume lately. First one is PRPM. We can clearly see where that volume's coming from. Look at that big jump there from 0.005, and then we got up to 0.0013. I mean that is just such an attractive gain right there. And volume clearly came right with it. We can see when we talk about trend, the MACD has gone up, it's curved down, but look at that. The histogram is moving in, and it looks like it might be ready to curve back up. RSI was oversold. A slow stochastic, overbought. My apologies. Slow stochastic was overbought as well. We are in solid buy country for the ADWM. Again, that's just the 5-day intraday. Let's get to something. Let's move towards things that are a bit more practical for us. When I look at that daily chart, you've got a pretty good balance almost of upper wick and lower wick. It's probably trying to find its price range right here. Again, trend with that MACD looking good, volume just geez Louise. You've got your RSI moving up into 60, not quite overbought. Slow stochastic has touched down into oversold and is curved up and now is above the moving average. ADWM again solidly in buy country. Let's look at the weekly. So here, if I was going to make any sort of practical assumption as to what is going to come, my concerns are with my simple moving averages, because it looks like the green, my 50, might be acting as support, and my red, my 20, could be acting as resistance. So we'll want to see that break through, I think, before we start making big decisions on this. But 120% gains, I mean, just geez, so attractive. That MACD, the trend, we look at that looks like it's curving up. We talk about momentum, slow stochastic coming out of oversold, buy signal there in the ADWM, vol on balance volume, clearly doing well. Let's jump into the next one. Next is BDGR. I'm looking here at the 5-day intraday again. We see it going from 0.004 to 0.007. Great run. Volume was there. Looks like volume is disappearing on us. As we're not quite sure if we can go further. MACD, the trend going down. It might curve up here in a little bit. Slow stochastic on the way down. So yeah, this one I'm looking at a bit more carefully because that volume's dying down. So if we look at the daily, this is the 1 month. We do see a downward trend here. Of course, there's your gain right there, that big guy. Great looking volume bar there. Trend pushed up. Slow stochastic kind of right there in the middle. Let's go into our weekly, where again we're able to make a bit better of a call. That 50 again might be acting as support. We've got room to run here before we hit the 20, if that 20 does act as support. And you see that's kind of what it did right there as well. MACD is kind of flattening out there. Slow stochastic, when we talk about momentum, looks like it could be curving out of oversold. This one could give us some good runs here, from 0.006 up to 0.0010. So I mean, there's lots of interesting things here to look at. 2 high volume pennies that you might want to take a look at. Cheers.